when I left Bukso, because God has a better plan for me here, and that is to establish the School of Law of CMU. It was not really the plan when I transferred here.
Okay.
The plan was to help CMU with the battle of kanang land problem.
Land conflict.
Yeah. When we already won in the MTC, mora o kanang nawala na gamay ang stress sa administration. Wala na clear kahayag kung baga asam ni paingon nga kaso kay prior to my coming more elusive kay ni nga adi gini madaog, never gini masettle. But when God moved in a very powerful and mysterious ways, naanagid siya ka ng wala bitaw og kanang kahayag. Dito din ingon si President na basin pwede ta mag-offer og law school. As ako po, upon hearing that one, anak ko nga, pwede gid kaayo kay being immersed in the law school, in the administration, supporting the former dean of our law school before. I really possess all the knowledge and the first-hand usaon pag-handle and even the application. I was able to make connections with the commissioners in the lab, the Legal Education Board, in the community in general. So ingin ko nga, we could actually ask help from these connections that I have para mag-establish ta og law school. So wag ito Ma'am Elge kay nahitabo gyud nga na officially gyud og kanang constitute ang committee namo. Ako may nag-share sa committee. Supposedly, it was the director of instruction na si Dr. Balingit. But she asked me nga, ikaw na lang kay mas maayo, kabalo man ka sa law, lahi ra ba, di ba siya CHED? LEB ra ba siya?
Muna ang murag si tawagan ni ana.
Regulatory, wala siya regulatory body.
Yeah,
di mi CHED, kundi Legal Education Board. LEB. So, mo to nga, I took the challenge. Wala ko nag-question, kaya ba na ako or whatsoever. Akong ginawa na agad nga, this is a destiny and God is the ultimate planner or architect this one. So, I'll just do whatever it takes para ma-fulfill na ko ang work. Here comes January after New Year. Nangumusta siya?
That was year?
This year.
This year?
January this year.
Grabe, very fresh.
Pagbalik sa vacation, nangumusta din sa president nga, kumusta na itong law school? Ano dyan ko, seryoso na ito? Ano dyan ko nga, abi na ko ka ng wala
work out of the blue lang
College of Medicine biya ang original na plan na wala pa until now na realize. So when he said na kumusta ng law school ko seryoso dito siya nga seryoso. Immediately I drafted the memorandum and the special order to constitute the team. So I approached the director of instruction and then asked, are you ready? Nangita na sa president sa School of Law. Siya nga, ikaw kung ready na ka, kay ang gibalik pa sa question, ikaw kung ready na ka, ako always ko ready because kini siya na mag-process and then undergo lang ta sa process. So, immediately after February, Ma'am Elge, this year, na-constitute ang committee and here comes May, karon na gid na adlaw, we were able to present the School of Law proposal to the Administrative Council and it was already approved. So, BOR na mitanan. There are 3 proposals under this kanang initiative. First is the proposal for establishment of law school. Secondly is for the establishment of the Juris Doctor with thesis curriculum.
Lahi day siya? Sige daw.
Bulag na sila.
Okay.
Na proposal.
Okay. Dayon.
Lahi ang pag-establish siya, murag college or school of law.
Yes.
Because it requires financial implications. Infrastructure. So, muna nga, kinahanglan i-approve siya. Secondly is ang curriculum niya. So, ni-undergo pa
Juris Doctor curriculum ang
okay. With thesis. So, ni-undergo pa na siya sa University Curriculum Committee and after that sa UAC or University Academic Council. Then BOR. And then, ang katupag isa ka proposal na mo, Ma'am Elge, is the academic policy or the manual. Composing the faculty manual and the student manual or handbook in one document. So, ni-undergo po siya o kanang University Curriculum Committee, gipresent po siya as a matter of information. And secondly, is Council of Deans. So, after sa Council of Deans, gipresent po na mo siya sa University Academic Council. Then, here comes BOR, perhaps first week or second week of June next month because dapat June 30 prior to that nakasubmit nami sa LEB sa tanang documents and ang pinaka ultimate document kay giulatan namo is the BOR resolution nga na-approve na nga ma-establish ana. So after that maghulatan dami sa LEB dayon karon sa sila mo ocular inspection. So after that next year ko ang pangutana karon sa gid siya ma-offer Dili na siya kanang murag ma-jinx, dili na siya. Ang sa lagi siya, next year, school year 2026,
Yeah, to 2027.